Hello, how you going everyone? In today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step walkthrough on how to get set up on WIZARDIA and purchase their Arena NFT in preparation for their game launch, which incidentally will earn you revenue by simply staking it, and when the game comes out, you'll be able to be earning those sweet, consistent, passive rewards simply by holding WIZARDIA Arena NFT. So, everything you need to know about getting set up on WIZARDIA will be covered in this video. Watch the video until the end, and if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, click like, and if you have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below. In this video, I have a like target of 200, so definitely click the like button. And by the way, I do have timestamps in the description, so if you're in a hurry, go ahead and just jump to the section that you are interested in. So, let's just go through the steps I'll take you through for today's video. Firstly, you'll need to get set up on Metamask. I'll show you the basics of what you need to do for that if it's the first time. And then after that, we'll set up on the Binance Smart Chain network. Then I'll show you how to purchase the Arena NFT and display that in your wallet. After that, you'll be all set to go once WIZARDIA has their staking set up on their site. Okay, step 1. So let's get Metamask installed onto your computer if you haven't done that already. So just go to metamask.io, the link's in the description, and then download the app from there. Double check you don't get onto a scam site though. Okay, so click on download now and then install Metamask for Chrome. After that, you'll be sent to the Chrome web store where you can add Metamask as a Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension, then Get Started. And today we'll be creating a new wallet, so we'll click on Create a Wallet. Then Agree and make a password. Might be a good idea to write that down just in case. Then click Next. So now is really important part. You'll need to write down your recovery phrase. Always keep this a secret. I recommend writing it down and keeping it safe somewhere where you can find it. And in this video, I wanted to demonstrate so you can actually see my seed phrase, but I'll be deleting this account after the video, and there won't be anything inside this account anyway. So click on Reveal Secret Words. Now write them down, and now just click on the words so they are in the same order as in the previous screen. Now just go to the top right of your browser. You'll see a little jigsaw icon, and click on that, and click on pin icon next to Metamask, and then it will show up in your browser in the future. Okay, so click on your Metamask again. Note that it is currently set to the Ethereum network. So what we need to do now, in order to interact with WIZARDIA, we'll need to set up on BSC network, Binance Smart Chain. And this is super easy to do. A quick little shortcut to do this is to just go to SushiSwap, and the link is in the description. So just enter their app, click on Connect Wallet, then choose Metamask, then Next, then Connect. Okay, super easy way to change the RPC to Binance Smart Chain from Ethereum is to just click on the Ethereum icon, then click on BSC, and now your RPC got set up automatically for you. Okay, and finally click Approve. Now go back to WIZARDIA.io and click on Buy Arena NFT, then connect your wallet. Choose Metamask, then click Next and Connect. So as you can see, the price of the NFT is 175 USDT or USDC stablecoin or 0.432 BNB. And if you don't have that in your wallet already, then you'll need to fund it, which is super easy to do, as you can buy these on a bunch of exchanges and then just send that to your Metamask wallet address on BSC. Alright, so now that our wallet is funded, let's buy the Arena NFT. So go back to the site. I have USDT in my wallet now, so click on that button, confirm the transaction. It's pending. Okay, that has gone through. After the transaction went through, it took about 5 minutes or so for the NFT to appear in my wallet. So don't worry if you don't get it immediately. Anyway, I'll show you how to add it to your wallet. In order to add it to your wallet, just open Metamask, click on the 3 dots on the top right, then View Account in Explorer. Then click on the little down arrow. Then right down at the bottom, you'll see NFTs, and you'll find the WIZARDIA one there. So click on that and just copy the contract address. Then return to your MetaMask and scroll down to the bottom and click on Import Tokens. Paste in the contract address you just copied and enter 0 into the token decimal. And finally push Add Custom Token. Then Import Tokens. And now you'll see your WIZARDIA NFT has been added to your wallet. Okay then, I think that's about it. So today we were able to download Metamask, change the network to BSC, and finally purchase Arena NFT. So make sure you keep this NFT safe, as it is not only extremely rare, but you'll be able to generate staking revenue once the token is released, and then once the game is up and running, you'll be able to make those sweet rewards. Okay, I hope you found today's video useful, and if you did, slap me a like, leave a comment to help support the channel. Okay, so thanks for watching everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.